In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account with AccessiBe. So let's get started right away. Just go ahead and open up your web browser first, and then in the address bar type in accessibe.com and press enter. Now you will end up on the official AccessiBe website. Now in order to log into your existing account, you can find the login button at the top right corner alongside the support button. Just click on it and you will be taken into the login portal. Now all you need to do is type in your credentials. So just go ahead and type in your email address followed by your password. Finally click on the login button and you will be logged into your account with AccessiBe. In case you forgot your password, simply click on Reset Your Password button underneath the login box and you will be able to reset your login credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account with AccessiBe. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.